So hello guys, today I'm playing. Hello bunnies. Today I am playing. What is it? Oh, sorry, I am like collabing with her. Never mind. So today I'm playing. Press the button 4. So yeah, let's play. I'm collabing with my friend Nathalia's Super World. Let's see, there is a snowball fight. No one steals my kill. Okay, you want to steal my kill? Do you really want to steal my kill? Hello? He's just standing. Lol. Okay, he died. Okay. Got her. My friend just left, I guess. No, she doesn't left. Yeah, I won. Okay, let's to the other side. I can go to the other side. You guys know I am a parkour champion. Oh, you guys wouldn't know that I'm a parkour champion. Champion because I didn't play parkour in this challenge. I will start playing parkour in this challenge. So beware. What am I saying? Why would you guys be beware? Okay, survive. Okay, this. Oh no. That was falling. How did he survive? Okay, that thing fell. Oh no. Everyone died. Oh, she's back. My friend is back. Oh, that thing is fell. Oh no. Ow! I was just going to fall. Hello, Nathalia's Super World. But I must say I am recording too. I am recording too. Oh. Ayo. Lol. Yeah! I was just going to die. Ayo, this is very good. We are cooking. We are all cooking. I don't know why, but we are all cooking. Ah! There we go. Yo, Natha. Lol. You're just going to call me. Kill me. Oh my god. I'm going to press the button. Wait to the end. Okay, let's go. Why are they jumping here? Why is everyone jumping here? Oh, I'm a bunny! Yeah, I'm a bunny! Okay, where did I get this bunny here? Oh no, someone help me. Oh yeah. I just died. Yeah. We died here, right? No. Oh, that is the place. The girl, Evelina is her friend. Oh, bro, I am kidding. Really, I am kidding, bro. No one can reach the end. Okay. No one reached the end. Okay. Avoid falling off. So let's go. New animation pack. Oh, my first Oh no, I died. And the still can do it. Still for this one. The still can do it. Okay, right here. You can do it. Let's see if she can really do that. Yay! Who's nathalia? Okay, sorry I'm not talking. I'm sorry for the background that was in another language. I forgot that I was recording. Oh, hi, Natha. We met. Bro, everyone is like mining for diamond. I cannot say. Okay. Okay. Yo. I made this tree also. Bestie, not all recording. Okay. And this is going on. Okay. Yay, I won. Yay. Yay, I won. Yay. Yippee, I won. Yay. Yay. I don't know if she is recording or not. Bro, this is my first time winning this. Ugh. Yay! This thing. corner. Okay. Never mind. Yay, we won. Yay. Okay. No. Bruh. We are in the space. Did I just fall? Oh my gosh, I just fall. Fell. Okay. Yeah. We are cooking something here. Okay, let's go. Find a boxy cola to survive. Okay. But where can I find it? Oh, I found it. Yeah, I found the boxy cola. Yeah, hello. Oh. Yay, I'm drinking it. Oh, I found it. I have 2 boxy colas now. Okay. Yay. The prize is boxy cola. Okay, avoid getting infected by a zombie. Who's going to be a zombie? Hello, bestie. Someone's. Oh, no. Nathalia's the zombie. Bro, she made me zombie. Bruh. Okay, we're going to someone. Okay, we are going up. Okay. Everyone is a zombie here. Okay, we got to go to top color. Ayo. How did he get up there? Okay. This dude just got up there with it. So this super lighting. Oh no. We're making a zombie. Oh no. Bruh. Why you left me? Lol. What is going on? Oh yeah, we left the Brookhaven. We left the Brookhaven to play this. So she is saying it. Why did we left her? I'm right. Sorry. This man over here is the worst man. Okay. After something I will get a sword. Because I really want a sword. Long Christmas present. No, sorry. Okay. Stay clear from the red chocolate. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm gonna open this. Let's see. Okay, over here now. Okay, over here. Lol, what is going on in this? Like in this circle. Yeah, bro. If this is correct, I'm gonna run. No, this is not correct. Okay, no, let's come here. I don't know why. Sorry. Be careful. Yeah, I know I will be careful. Are we her parents? Because she said we abandoned her. Fine. Yay! They came. Haha. Lol. Oh my gosh. The flood rises in. Okay, let's go. Early. Let's go. So super early. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Okay, I got this. Okay, we're here. Okay, and okay. Okay, we get here. We got here. LOL. LOL. Jump on the locks to reach the end. Oh my gosh, I just died. Are you serious? Oh, lol. Over here, no 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 over here. Ow! No, bruh. Ouch. Bro. What's going on? Ayo. But I have decided, yeah, that I am going first then Chibui. Let's go. Oh, who's this man? Oh, I'm a run from him. Run. Cause this man can kill us. Let's run. Okay. Never mind. Okay, don't fall off and avoid obstacles. Okay, someone just died. Hello. Bro, they just killed us. Bro, I'm a cheater. Cheater caught in 4K. Okay, find the button. Not here. So where's the button? Here? No. Oh no, sorry. Where did the button go? Okay, here. Let's see. Fire the most amount of fireworks. Okay. Where is it? Where can I find fireworks? Works. Okay, where is it? No. Bruh. Oh, here is it. Okay, now I'm gonna fire it. Where can I fire it? Okay. I found and fired. One. Okay, only one. Where is fireworks? Pizza. What? Pizza is where the firework is. But on pizza there is no firework. Bruh. Who's going to win? And where is the fireworks? I cannot find them anywhere. Bruh. I guess I am going to lose. Oh, no, I am not going to lose. Okay, let's go. get ready for sleep. What is sleep? Can someone tell me what is sleep? This is called this sleep. My friend just did this to me. Oh no, I just died. Okay, here's the sleep. Okay, I must be. Hey, yo, where did that ball came from? Ow, I just got to sky. Bro, what the hell? Why her? Okay. Bro, let's go. I cannot say. Hey, yo, this man is very annoying. Okay, let's come here. Okay, let's go now. Okay, here, and here, and here. Okay, now let's climb. Okay, now we're here. Okay, bro, this man is the worst man ever. This game hates me. Same. But this game doesn't hate me. Okay. Ow. Bro, I am dying. Bro. What the hell? Okay. Okay. Bruh. That cheater. Hide and seek. Okay, let's go. We are playing hide and seek now. But who is the seeker? There is no one. Call the seeker. Okay. Hide from the seeker. Seekers? What do you mean by seekers? Okay. I see the seeker. But I got a hide from him. That cheater of all time. Okay, let's see. The video is so long today. I don't know why, but I am making some long videos. Okay, we win. Yay, we win. What the hell? Okay, get the balls to other side. Okay, let's go. We are getting the balls. You guys are not getting the balls. We are getting the balls. Let's go. You get that ball, and now we are getting this ball. Let's go. I'm sorry, but why are we helping them? What the hell? Why are we helping them? We're supposed to help us, not them. Okay, let's go. We have to make the ball blue. Okay. We got the balls. Okay. We have to make this ball blue too. Nathalia need help. Okay. No. Oh, bro. Did I just fall? Bruh. Okay, never mind. I am playing here. Must I buy anything for me to help? Maybe not. What is this? Oh my gosh. We have the carpet. And bring this to become big. I don't want to be big. Okay, this cake? No. I'm not going to buy anything. Find the correct pad. Maybe this? Oh no, not this. Ayo. This? Oh, not that. This. Yay! The cheater died. Bad weather. Bad weather? Oh my god. Bad weather. Yeah, we know it. The bad weather. This is called the bad weather. The bad weather. Hey yo, I was just going to die. Well, no one told you that there's going to be. Hey yo, I am going to die. Brother, why? Brother, just don't. Brother, see, brother. Hey yo. Think fast. Ayo. Lol. Why is she flying like that? Okay. Bro, this thing is. This man is the worst man ever. Why did he game that? Why did he game that? Can someone tell me? Okay. Let me win it with you guys. No, it's not fair. I hate myself. Wow. What the hell? Ah! Oh no. Okay. Hey yo. Let me just stand here with none of my business. Because there is never going to. Ow! I was wrong. Super. Watch out for spikes. Okay. Where's the road? We don't need to go there. Where's the road? I'm just going to jump on Chibi's super bike. Oh no. Okay, let's jump out. Thank you, Chibi's super bike. Hey yo. Oh, never mind. Hello, Chibi Super Whitey. Oh yeah, she's a little baby. Stop stepping on me. Alright. Okay. Lol. Ow. I was just gonna die. Bro. You're so mean. I'm just 9. Wow. Lol. Lol. Wait, I'm 9 too. Oh, high 5. Lol. Jump. Lol. Just on the raft and avoid the rocks. Okay. Ouch. I died. High 5. Okay. But I gotta go now. Okay guys, this is for the video. The video is so long now, like it's for 30 minutes, like my biggest video ever. So bye bye guys, like, subscribe and share, and write down in the comments if you want more Roblox content. So bye bye guys, see you later.